question.
What's going on, Pyros, Pyro Nation? We're back with Fisherman Fireworks White Noise. You know what to say about that white noise? That's where the paranormal are trying to talk to you through. You get on that frequency and you hear all those freaky things going on. Your hairs on your arms start standing up. White noise. Anyways, so you see right here, it's going to be a fan since we're having it this way. Warning, you see there it is. Our performance, red dahlia, big chrysanthemum, red strobe willow, green strobe. It is rated the best as Fisherman Factory says so. Is what they're saying. It's 26 shots, a 500 gram cake, and that's the breaks we should be seeing in the sky. Let's see if they hold up to that. White noise, Fisherman Fireworks. Let's go check it out. We're coming.
Jesus, how
I love the pace of that one.